This video is brought to you by Study with Scarlett. Okay, today we are going to learn 20 most important questions about coronavirus for Neet. Okay, yeah, the first question about the coronavirus for Neet. Okay, first is causative agent of coronavirus. Causative agent of coronavirus is SARS-CoV-2. So SARS-CoV-2 is the causative agent of coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2 is the causative agent of coronavirus. Next, second question. Discovery of coronavirus. Who discovered coronavirus? So coronavirus was discovered by Tyrrell and Bino in the year 1965. So they discovered coronavirus in 1960s and it is discovered by Tyrrell and Bino. Okay. So next, the third question about coronavirus is regarded as a pandemic disease, which means it is worldwide, it is spread across the world. So it is regarded as the pandemic disease, that is worldwide. Meaning of pandemic is it is spread across the world. So coronavirus is regarded as the pandemic disease. Okay, yeah. Next, fourth question about the coronavirus is who recognized coronavirus as pandemic? Recognized coronavirus as pandemic. It is 11th March 2020. Okay, so the answer for this question is 11th March 2020. Okay, who recognized coronavirus as pandemic in 11th March 2020? That is 2020. 11th March it recognized coronavirus as a pandemic disease. Okay, yeah. Next question. First death of coronavirus in India. Usually we will be thinking that first death will occur in Kerala, but it is wrong. First death of coronavirus in India occurred in Karnataka. Okay, first death of coronavirus in India occurred at Karnataka. Okay, so Karnataka is the answer. First death of coronavirus occurred over Karnataka. Next question, first death of coronavirus in USA, that is the United States of America. United States of America. The answer for this question is Washington DC. So the first death of coronavirus in USA occurred in Washington DC. Okay, yeah. Next, we will see our seventh question. Seventh question, why coronavirus is regarded as novel coronavirus? Okay, why coronavirus is called as novel coronavirus? Novel coronavirus is called so because it is a new strain of virus. New strain of coronavirus was discovered. The virus that is spreading across the country is a new strain of coronavirus. So it is regarded as the novel coronavirus. Okay, yeah. Next question is, what is the technique or the test to identify coronavirus? Technique or test to identify coronavirus is RT-PCR. That is identify coronavirus is RT-PCR. Okay, RT-PCR stands for reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. So RT-PCR is the technique used to identify coronavirus. Next question is ninth question, that is the symptoms of coronavirus. Symptoms of coronavirus is, first symptom is mild pneumonia. You will be finding a mild pneumonia, and then next is dyspnea. Dyspnea is shortness of breathing, that is inability to breathe properly, dyspnea, and cough. So these are the symptoms with sore throat, sometimes sore throat. So dyspnea is difficulty in breathing. So these are the symptoms of coronavirus. Next, question number 10. Question number 10 is coronavirus is derived from a Latin word called coronum. Corona, meaning of coronum is crown. Okay, so coronavirus was derived from a Latin word named coronum, and the meaning of coronum is crown. Okay, next, coronavirus affects mostly our respiratory system. Okay, not the digestive system or not the excretory system. It affects our respiratory system or the respiration process of respiration or breathing. So it affects the respiratory system. It affects our respiratory system. Next, question number 12. So question number 12 is transmission of coronavirus. Transmission of coronavirus is transmitted through air or airborne. Coronavirus is airborne and it is transmitted through the air droplets from the cough or sputum of the person. So transmission of coronavirus is through airborne. Next question. Genetic material of coronavirus. Okay, so genetic material of the novel coronavirus is single-stranded RNA, ssRNA, single-stranded ribonucleic acid. SS here stands for single-stranded, RNA is ribonucleic acid. So single-stranded ribonucleic acid, and it is surrounded by a spike-like material with glycoprotein cover and a lipid bilayer. Okay. So single-stranded genetic material is single-stranded RNA, that is single-stranded ribonucleic acid. Next, the drug that is currently used for curing or treating, drug used for treatment of coronavirus is hydrochloroquine. Okay, drug used for treatment, or hydroxychloroquine. Okay, drug used for treatment is hydroxychloroquine. Okay, which is used in the treatment of malaria. It is also used in the treatment of malaria, hydroxychloroquine or quinone. Okay, hydroxychloroquine is the drug used in the treatment of coronavirus. Okay, this is your 14th question. Next we are going to see 15th question. 15th question. Coronavirus is from the family, two family are there, that is, two group divisions is there, MERS and SARS. MERS is Middle East respiratory symptom and SARS is severe acute respiratory symptom. MERS is Middle East. Okay, MERS stands for Middle East respiratory syndrome, and SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, and coronavirus belongs to this class. Okay. Yeah. Next, SARS is zootonic in origin. Zootonic refers to it is originated from animals. Okay, and then this is your 15th question. Okay, yeah. Next we will see our 16th question. In which province of China coronavirus originated? In which province of China coronavirus originated? In the Hubei. It is the province. See, province is Hubei. Okay, yeah. Coronavirus originated in the province. Which province of China? It is Hubei. Okay, and then next is MERS first acquired in Middle East respiratory syndrome acquired in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so MERS acquired first in Saudi Arabia. Yeah. Next is SARS coronavirus acquired first in SARS virus acquired in China in the year 2002. So SARS virus acquired in China in the year 2002. Okay, yeah. Next is your infections of coronavirus. Coronavirus infections of coronavirus. Coronavirus infects your nose, sinuses and throat. Okay, sinus and throat. So you will be feeling cold, cough with sore throat. This is the infection area of coronavirus. Next is the important question. Coronavirus belongs to the family Coronaviridae. Okay, Coronaviridae, and SARS and MERS also. Coronavirus, SARS, MERS, everything belong to the family Coronaviridae. So this is the 20 most important question about coronavirus for Neet. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment to our YouTube channel Study with Scarlett. Thank you for watching.